You see how quick we change kitchen? You see it there? Yeah man, we had to reach to the Cook and Vibe kitchen, people. You know what I'm saying? So big up yourself. Seasoned greetings, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, Chef Ricardo, we're about to deal with some fish. You know what I'm saying? Do we say yellow snapper we're dealing with? Yeah. Alright, forward, brother, forward, we see what I'm going.
Now what?
You good?
Yes, I'm good. I'm in at the boss kitchen. Cook and Vibe kitchen.
Famous kitchen.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying?
But before we go any further, we want to say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year to all of you guys out there. Alright? Respect and a whole heap of loves for you guys. What
I'm saying?
Today we're going to be doing
we're doing a whole roast chicken, we're doing a whole roast, we're doing fish, we've got planting, beer things I've got, you know?
Alright, stay tuned. And this is only what? Chapter?
This is chapter, do you not know this is the end of the season?
Oh my days!
Yeah, this is the end. For me, for Cook and Vibe, this is, I wanted to go out with a bang.
Yeah,
so
definitely.
Little break and then we're back for season 6, so I deal with mine season 5, season 6, so yeah, that's how we go.
I'm in the kitchen. Lots of stuff gonna be coming, guys. Keep tuning.
Yeah.
Tune in to Cook and Vibes. Search feeds on Google, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, the whole place.
Please, please.
So wait. Cook and Vibes kitchen. And it's not a normal thing. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I got some fish and I'm gonna be marinating the fish. I'm going to show you guys how to fry the beautiful fish. I know guys, it's going to be an amazing one. So the first thing what we want to do, to be honest with you, you know this, you know what I mean, I'm in a different kitchen, so you know the things that I already have to work with. I'm going to simple goes on with some paprika, some mild paprika and the fish, alright? Just like this. Alright, get a little bit of color in pan it, you know. You need a little bit of color, to be honest with you guys, trust me. That's what's going to make the difference with the fish. Now we're going to go in with some this is some all-purpose seasoning. No, this is what?
Chicken seasoning.
No, chicken seasoning, but it's also can use on fish also, so we're gonna put a little bit on it.
Yeah man, they call it season up, so you can just season up in it.
I'm telling you, trust me. So this is what we're gonna be doing right now. We're just gonna get this fish marinated. Most people will just put some black pepper and some salt, but we're not gonna be doing that today. And not only that, man, I'm so happy man, you have your own good Jamaican Valley season in the kitchen with some and some grown in black pepper. Yo brother, big up Jamaica Valley kitchen.
Big up Jamaica Valley every
time.
Man,
every time man. That thing nice man, trust me.
Man, that thing proper man.
Yeah, so we're gonna put on a little bit on it like this, and trust me, and a little bit on the stomach of the fish, alright? Now we got some all-purpose seasoning, which is very important. Now we're gonna put a little bit on it.
So this seasoning here, chef, when I first started cooking Caribbean food, I wanted to learn how to do it authentic.
Yeah.
So what I done when I was in Jamaica, I would look on the shelf and see what kind of seasonings that they sold actually in Jamaica. So I knew when I come back to England, I knew
what to use.
And I found the Easy Spice and the Maggi there was the ones that I've always found in the supermarkets in Jamaica.
Sell off.
So
yeah, that's a good look. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna rub some of my you know what I mean, like some thyme on it. Some thyme and some, you know, some garlic. I got a little bit of fresh garlic. Alright, then what we're gonna do, here's the fresh thyme. I'm gonna put a little bit of fresh thyme on it. Alright, just rub on that pan and we'll definitely give it a little bit of flavor when you're gonna fry it. Put some all inside of the stomach. That is just amazing. Trust me. Now,
guys, did you see the way he cut that? He put that on. He's perfect. I told you he's the CEO. He's the CEO of this.
No man, trust me. It's just like, it's just something. You know what I mean? It's a work, my brother. You know what I mean? As when you're doing something, trust me, it's just really nice to get it like this. You know? Yeah, man. Just to get the flavor. All right. All right. Now we're gonna have some white onion. I'm just gonna put a little bit of white onion on it, but just to show you what going on. Yeah, man.
Yo! We're telling him chopping skills there and now, man.
Yeah, but I just saw it going on.
A Chef Ricardo, you know.
I'll get a little bit of flavor from it, you know what I mean? Now we got some pimenta. Alright, this is my little bit of flavor. This. So basically, what you want to do with the pimenta seed, just want to get a few pimenta seed. Alright? Few pimenta seed like this, and we're just gonna simply crush them. That's That's not a good one. Alright. So we're gonna just put that on pan it like this. Sorry about that, guys. You know what I mean? Just to get a little bit of flavor on it and a little bit more of a season on it. Alright, I'm just gonna marinate it up like this, and trust me, the flavor and the taste is gonna be totally different. Alright? Beautiful and nice. But what we're gonna do, let's put some of inside of the stomach. Okay, I'm gonna show you something. Because when you put some in the stomach and you're gonna fry it, you're gonna see the flavor and the texture. So it's gonna be like something totally different what you guys gonna be tasting. Alright? Normally we just marinate the fish, put it down for a couple of hours, but we're not gonna be doing that today. I'm gonna show you how to fry this on an amazing fried fish right here. Okay? Beautiful and nice. But sorry about this, but pimento seed is just good to just crush it and just rub it on it. You get a lovely flavor from the pimento seed. So stay tuned with the fry. I'm gonna pop roughly about, not too much oil, roughly about quarter cups of oil, or less than quarter cups of oil I'm gonna be using straight inside of it, okay? Now the thing is, when you fry this kind of fish, guys, you need to do a thing like that. Let's get some, you know what I mean, fresh garlic and crush it and put it inside of the oil like this. We got a scotch bonnet pepper where we're gonna also put inside of it. And if you have some thyme, you know what I mean, yeah, you can just put a little piece of thyme inside of it for it to go and fry. Get a lot of flavor from that beautiful garlic and thyme in the fried pan. Alright? So we're gonna walk you through it and show you exactly how to fry the fish, and trust me, you guys gonna love this one. Alright? So stay tuned in and watch it. Beautiful. You can see I got the oil very hot and ready. So what we're gonna do now is, this is the fish which I'm gonna be frying. We got some stuff inside of the stomach of the fish. So basically, I wanna put that fish in. Alright. Beautiful and nice. So you have the time and let's put it in. So that's what you want to do. You want to make sure the oil is really hot and nice. And that's looking really good, guys. 100%. Nice one, guys. So basically, as you can see, just from simple, gonna spin it over to the other side. Just be careful. Look at that time. Beautiful. Nothing nice if you got, if you fry it into a deep fry and get that beautiful crispy and nice look. But this is good. But in the meantime, what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut up some peppers. But you guys can see, put some peppers and some spring onion. It's gonna be beautiful, fantastic, and an amazing one, guys. So stay tuned in. We're at the Vibes Kitchen.
Yeah.
All the thing no normal. Yeah. It's a good look. It's a good look. Nice one, guys. So basically, that's the fried fish right there, and the fish is almost ready. I know I'm just gonna simply remove them from the frying pan. But trust me, as you can see, how the fish looking. Wow.
Nice.
Yeah. Boy. So what I'm gonna do is put the rest of them on a napkin. But I'm just gonna simply rest them in this tray for now. Alright, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna walk you through it and show you the finishing product of the fish. So right over here, I got some peppers, which I'm gonna be cutting up, some bell pepper, some white onion, spring onion, and some scotch bonnet pepper. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. So tune in for the next section, guys. It's another amazing, as you can see for yourself. All right, lovely and nice. So yeah, beautiful. Enjoy it. Okay, guys. So basically, I'm gonna simply cut up some peppers and stuff to salt take off to put right on that beautiful fish. So right here, I got some pepper which I'm gonna be cutting up. Okay, and we're gonna just simply fry them off. It's gonna be a little bit of a fry going on right now, but everything's gonna be good. All right. And that is just really lovely and nice. Now we got some white onion which we're gonna be using. Alright. So it's nice to just cut the right one and then just like this. Get that beautiful brownish color look. Really nice. Cut them in straight inside of it. Alright. Chuck them in the frying pan. Some spring onion. Got some chopped bonnet pepper. Just get everything in it.
Why?
Yeah, well, this is the most important part. Then we're just gonna go in there with some Jamaica Valley.
Yeah. Big them up.
Pepper, yeah man. Them are the thing, man. The real big up Jamaica Valley. Alright. Let's forget that.
So you would call this a pickle pepper?
Yeah man, I get some pimento seed and chuck inside of it like
Why?
You know what I mean?
Why?
You know, I got sort of going out with a little bit of the all-purpose seed, just to give it a little bit of color, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah, not much. Alright.
Why?
You got a stir. It's just a little bit of Christmas, you know what I mean? Because, you know, it's Christmas and a lot of people want to do something different at home.
Yeah.
And to be honest with you, it's just nice to do something like this. Yeah. A little bit of vinegar on it. You can use your favorite vinegar. If you like, you can put a little bit of brown sugar.
Okay.
Yeah, but you know what I mean, we just like it natural and real like this. If you got some carrot, you can put some carrot on it. You got some chocho, also you can put some chocho on it, alright? But yeah, that's looking good and nice, you know what I mean? And you don't want to overcook it too much, guys, just to get that beautiful color and flavor and taste, alright? Yeah. Nice one, guys. So basically, as you can see, we start decorating the fish. If you got some lemon, you can zest some lemon juice on it, but we just keep it simple. It's Christmas. A lot of people have a lot of things I do, you know what I mean? So as I said, I saw it going in at the kitchen. If you just do anything thing like this. So
where's the little sorrel flower, chef?
Yeah, man, it's
you know that's why you know I've never seen fresh sorrel before.
Is it?
Yeah. So this, look here, people. So this is the fresh sorrel. Look at that. I've only seen it dry, but I thought, you know what? I'm gonna boil some fresh ones up, and I thought they'd be really nice for garnishes as well.
Yeah, for real, man, it's beautiful.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, I hear that, people.
Wow.
Beautiful and nice. So you want to do a portion like this, put it on the table for the family.
Look at that.
Man. That's gonna be another amazing for you guys. Alright, so please enjoy that one. And trust me, it's just something totally different. And 100% you guys will love it. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Amazing.
Chilling right now.
Yes.
And just relaxing.
Yes.
You know, if I EastEnders, then I EastEnders. If not, then if it's wrong, it's wrong.
Yeah.
You know?
But you know,
whatever you are.
We're at the right place.
Yeah.
Cook and vibes.
Cook and vibes.
But look how we're going on right just so.
Yeah, we've got everything here.
Everything's
you get me? We've got the roast chicken, roast potatoes,
yes,
vegetables, plantain, fish, sorrel jam. We got sorrel. We got. There's not much more you want.
And the first bit, I never see this, man.
Yeah.
Many years, man.
Yeah.
Fresh. Sorrel.
Fresh.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Just for guys. Anyway, what want to say? Merry Christmas.
Yes, Merry Christmas, man.
And a Happy New Year.
Definitely,
and thank you so much, guys, for tuning in with Chef Ricardo and Cook and Vibes.
You know what I'm
So
saying?
now, man, check out his YouTube channel.
Please.
Subscribe to his YouTube channel and support him.
I was gonna say go check out Chef Ricardo's channel, but he's got loads of followers. But if you don't follow him, then make sure you do.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? It's a blessing to have you in the kitchen today. I've learned a lot of things.
No worries, man.
Yeah, so
we got a lot more. We got a lot more.
Yeah, you know, this is just the start. You know, and it's a one community, one team we're dealing with.
Definitely.
You know, Christmas is a time to spend with your loved ones, family. You know, so everybody's just, you know, they don't see each other all the time. So it was really nice to have Chef Ricardo here for Christmas Day. Absolutely amazing. I hope you guys loved it.
Enjoy it. It's beautiful. Roast chicken.
Why
fish. Plantain. Hit the man.
Why
Alright. Look after yourself, guys. I'll see you next time.